A Man-Made Caves Landscape by Makarand Joshi. Hi, this video is about how to paint exteriors of a man-made cave complex. We have three categories. The first one is the natural rocky terrain. The second one is carved rock. And the third one is scaled rock. The thin superficial layer just scaled. And as usual, we begin with the drawing. Notice that before even the very first layer of painting, the surface, that's paper, is already wet. I always use this method. This method is particularly very useful when we have to paint large masses. And the final outcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the red subscribe button.